Hi, I'm Cindy Cloud with Riley Blake Designs, and today is a special project to me because I'm making something my mother has made for years for family and friends. It's a microwave potato baking pouch. And what I mean is it's this pouch, which is made with 100% natural cotton fibers that you can put in the microwave to bake your potatoes. It fits up to 4 potatoes, or you can make other vegetables, and all you need to do is wash up your potatoes or your vegetables when they're a little bit damp and slip them in the pouch. Then you turn it over in the microwave, and for potatoes you cook 5 to 7 minutes. It would be adjusted for different vegetables. And then when you get them out, they're all ready to eat. They're not shriveled up. They're perfect for eating. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this microwave potato baking pouch. So this is the original template that my mom used for years and years. It's 20 by 11, and my dad cut it out for her because she would use it all the time. And you would just lay it on top of your fabric. It's nice to use non-directional fabric, but you can use directional fabric too. You just have to be mindful of where everything is facing. But again, if you just want the measurements, it's 20 by 11, and you can use your traditional rulers to get your cuts. So you need a print, a coordinating fabric, and batting, all cotton fibers. And you're going to put the batting on the bottom, your coordinating print in the middle, and then right sides together, you're going to put the other print on top. And I just add a couple pins to keep everything in place. And with right sides together, I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch on the top and on the bottom. Okay, I've sewn those 2 sides. I'm going to flip this right side out. Just like that. And now I'm going to give it a good press. Turn it this way. Make sure I get my edges out. Once you get your edges all nicely pressed, I'm going to take it to the machine and top stitch my 2 sides. So I've top stitched my top and bottom piece, and now I'm going to go serge my sides. Now if you don't have a serger, no worries. You can zigzag stitch, or you can even leave it without finishing off your edge. But I like the extra step if you have a serger. So let's take it to the machine and serge your sides. Okay, now that you've got your sides serged, you're just going to trim off any extra threads. And now you just have one last sewing step. So you decide which way, which print you want on the outside. I would like this one on the outside, so you're going to put right sides together. And the 6-inch portion, actually it's 5.5 inches, you're going to measure up, is what's going to show the most of. So you get your ruler and measure 5.5 inches up. Just kind of adjust it, 5.5 inches. Add a couple pins. And this is going to measure about 4.5. So that's right on. So like I said before, you could leave it raw edge on both sides, or if you don't have a serger, or you could zigzag, but it's nice to have a finished edge. So I'm going to take it to the machine. I'm going to sew a 1/2 inch, reversing on each end to lock my stitches. All right, now that your sides are sewn, you can trim any threads. It looks pretty good. Now you're going to turn it right side out, popping out your corners. All right, your microwave potato pouch is all finished and it's all ready for gift giving, or it's ready for tonight's meal.